Have you had a go at this, mate?
No.
You haven't?
No. It's no use to me going left and right. Once it changes directions and goes the other way.
And I tell you what, there's no noise. There's hardly any noise at all, is there? You know, because you was on about a whining noise, weren't you? You little bugger, you was trying to fly into us then. This is amazing. Fly straight at me now, Tom. Look, there's a buzzard up there. Look, go for it. Go for that buzzard up there.
Wait, I'll let it come closer.
He won't, because he's over the woods. He thinks there's...
Well, that's at the other side of the wind, so I don't want to fly over there. Oh, sorry, I forgot to fly it here.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, go for that crow. I said to Francis, I said, we'll chase some crows. Oh, this is brilliant. And plus the fact that you're where the sun is, so... I'm just trying to follow this bloody thing. I can't actually see what he's doing because I'm just trying to follow.